Hello, my name is Nicole, and my video today is a little step-by-step tutorial that can teach you how to use gradual exposure therapy to overcome a fear of spiders. So if this is something that you struggle with, please continue watching and hopefully my tips and tricks can be helpful to you. First of all, you should be very proud of yourself for taking such a proactive step in overcoming your fears. It can be incredibly daunting. However, the benefits of overcoming a phobia include eliminating the challenges that this phobia may have caused throughout your life, as well as no longer needing to rely on avoidance behaviours that may have been present in the past. The first step of overcoming your fear of spiders is the assessment phase. So this is all about preparation and setting you up for the most success in overcoming your phobia. The first step is to identify the fear, as well as identify the target behaviours that reinforces the fear. So this is likely to be avoiding particular environments in which spiders may be more prevalent. Next, we need to identify what it is about spiders specifically that you find scary. Finally, using that information, we're going to create what is called a fear hierarchy. To do this, we want to write down a list of 10 or more fearful situations that you will expose yourself to overcome your fear of spiders. Next, we want to rate each situation using the subjective units of distress scale. So from 0, not very scary, to 100, extremely scary. It's crucial to ensure that these activities and situations that you're going to be exposing yourself to are not dangerous or unsafe in any way, and it's important to expose yourself very slowly to avoid overwhelm. The next step is the intervention phase to assist in overcoming your fear. Now, it's always helpful to have a support person handy, and remember to take it slow. Start with the least scary situation on your list, and if needed, your support person can always model the exposure for you, as well as provide a lot of reassurance and positive reinforcement and praise. You want to try and stay in the situation for at least 7 to 10 minutes and make sure that you're comfortable with that current exposure before moving on to the next one. Slowly make your way through the list until you overcome your most distressing item. Now that you have ticked off the scariest item on your list, take a moment to give yourself a pat on the back and recognize what you have just achieved. Then we're going to move into the maintenance phase, which is involving continual exposure to maintain this behavior change. So continually practicing and exposing yourself to more situations that you may find a little bit daunting and scary is going to prove to have a nice long-lasting result. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I would love to assist you further. Otherwise, all the best on your phobia journey.